Hey, so excuse my appearance. I just woke up. Still in my pajamas. But I wanted to go over a couple things. Some people have asked, how did you get into this, like Amazon influencing? And I'm pretty sure all I did was look up side hustles for like stay-at-home moms and kind of went from there. So let me show you the hard part of it. So yesterday I got all of this, and this is about half of what I'll probably be receiving this week. So I thought, you know what, let's do a little unboxing here and see. So, okay. Oh, this is cute. This is a little tankini. Adorable. Okay. What's this? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay. Oh, this is a jumpsuit. A jumper. With like a little ruffle at the bottom. Oh my gosh, can't wait to try that. Now, people say, do you keep your clothes? No, I don't go enough places to keep all of this. A vendor sends it to me. I review it. I will take these out of the packages. I will iron all of them. I will set up to do an Amazon live stream, maybe a couple. I have to post them. This is a cute cover up. I have to post them on my Amazon storefront. And then I only post on my socials if I actually love the product. And that's just so that I can maintain a nice rapport and trust with my following. Oh, this is cute. It's a nice, cute blouse. So, this is perfect. It's just a nice. Oh, that's adorable. Let me see here. What is the... 98% cotton. I thought so. It felt so good. Wow, that's nice. Okay. That's a cute cover up. And these are great athletic shorts. This brand. This isn't even, I don't think these are shorts. This is a skirt. Oh, how cute. Okay. Oh, I've been looking for 100% cotton pajamas just because, night sweats. Oh, this is cute. Yeah, these are perfect. 100% cotton. Okay. This is very colorful, but hopefully it's cute when I try it on. This is another jumpsuit. Oh, cute. Oh, this is a cover up, like a nice crochet. This is a nice hefty material. Oh, sundress. Oh, cute. Okay, can't wait to try that. Oh, that's a cute blouse. Ooh, okay, can't wait to try that one. Oh, love. Okay. This is a cover up. It's got like the side Ooh, can't wait to try that. Okay. Oh, this is a dress. Ooh, and it's kind of lined in there. That's interesting. Love. Okay, can't wait to try that. All right. This feels like a nice fabric. Oh, okay. Can't wait to try this one. Oh, this will be cute. Okay. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a cute blouse. Okay. Oh, this actually feels really nice. Okay, some little sundress. I wonder what. Yeah, 55% cotton. I could feel the nice cotton. Okay. This looks like it's just like a blouse. Yeah. Cute blouse. Another cute blouse. What was this? Was a double lined. Oh, that actually feels amazing. Okay. Nice little sundress or cover up. Basic tank, love with those. And then this is the last one that I'll open. Oh, okay. These were interesting. These are barrel jeans. I wonder how they're gonna fit. We'll see. Anyway, so yeah, so this here, I'm gonna have to iron all that. I still have to open that. To do hair, makeup, and then tape it all. Post it to my Amazon storefront, and then get ready for some of these to be in an Amazon Live. And yeah, then if I love any of these, I will post them on like my Insta and Facebook. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do. It took a lot to get the software and knowing all of the mechanics of that, especially for the doing the lives, but now I've pretty much got it down pat. So that's my story.